Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? Today we are cooking turkey soup. Yeah, we are cooking turkey soup. And yes, so now we are going to boil our turkey. So I'm spicing up the turkey, yeah, so that it can give you that nice aroma, good taste, yeah, so that it can be tasty. Yeah, so using different spicy. I use garlic, I use ginger, I use thyme, I use curry, I use nutmeg, I use basil, I use parsley, I use ginger, yes, and maggi and cube, and I start a bit of onions to give it that aroma. You know when you had slice onions to anything, you enjoy that thing. Yes, you just should enjoy it. So once our turkey is ready, we are going to put it in the oven. Yes, I prefer putting my turkey in the oven rather than frying it. Yes, some people prefer frying, but I prefer putting it in the oven. Yes. So yes, I'm stirring this. Please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments actually keep me going, and you can please check my others videos. So our turkey is ready. Let's put in the oven tray. Yes, and put it in the oven. So we put it, allow it to bake for like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how crunchy or how hard or anyhow you want it. So I'm going to leave it my for, let me say, 12 minutes. Yes, maximum of 12 minutes. Yes. So depending the time, let's start our soup. So I've used vegetable oil and this is stock, and add pepper, mixture of pepper with onions. Yes, so I'm adding cube. I love using chicken cube. Yes, I love. So our soup is almost ready. So now let's check our turkey in the oven. So it's ready. So we now add to it, adding the turkey inside the soup, then put the salt and allow it to cook for some minutes. Before we know it, our soup is ready. And this soup you can use to eat rice, you can use it to eat a bar, and supplement with it any maybe a wedu or any drolly soup. Thank you guys, I love you, bye.